Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video, I'm installing and trying out this Nadula 13x4 reddish brown body wave wig. So if that is something you'd enjoy, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share if you care. Let's get started. Now, of course, you know we are starting with an unboxing. So first up, I have a folding desktop phone stand, and that's a first for me, and I'm loving it. I also received a tie-dye headband, 2 light skin wig caps, a satin headband, a makeup brush, some lashes, a pink bonnet, as well as a Velcro headband. As for the hair itself, it is Brazilian hair with 13x4 lace area. You have your 2 combs on the side, as well as the adjustable straps in the back, a bit of lace there in the nape area, and of course you have your comb there to secure the wig in the back. This is a pre-plucked lace front wig with a 4-inch depth of parting space. The knots are bleached, it does have an elastic cap, and it's 150% density. As you can see, I had little to no shedding from this hair straight out of the packaging, and it didn't have much of a smell either. Okay, so I'm just going to throw on this wig cap that I had on previously. This is not a newer cap, that's why it looks a little raggedy, but you know, I don't mind. But I wanted to try the hair on straight out of the packaging, look at the wave, look at how it's going to, you know, blend with my skin, you know, just kind of check it out, see what I need to cut off, those type of things. So I went ahead and I cut the lace off of the back portion of the wig, and as well as the front portion. This is what I'm left with. So we are ready to install this hair. Now, I wasn't sure what I was going to feel about this reddish brown hair because I've never had this color on me, but you know what? I said, why not? Why not try some color? So far, so good, but I do want to comb back the hair so I can take a really good look at this hairline and spray it down with some got to be glued spray. But as you can see, you guys, it's looking pretty good, and I haven't even gotten it tacked down yet. For those that want to know about this blow dryer, so I picked this blow dryer up from Marshall's. This is the first time I'm actually using it, so I can't say whether it's a great dryer for blow drying your real hair or not, but it got the job done for this lace front wig. Now, I'm still not the best, but I will say I've gotten better with these little baby hairs with the wigs. I think I eventually want to stop doing the baby hairs, but this particular wig was calling for some baby hairs. So I'm just going to use some Murray's beeswax, only because it's what I have on hand on the table in front of me, and it's going to get the job done. Now that those girls are in place, I really don't feel like I need to do too much more to this wig, even though I will style it in a moment. But this is the natural wave of the hair, kind of plucked out. So because I've been playing in this hair so much, it's gotten kind of frizzy, and I want to redefine some of the wave. I'm going to take my flat iron and just kind of put some bumps in there to redefine the wave of the hair. Just to let you know, if you choose to use this technique at home, it does burn your fingers. I'm kind of used to it because I used to do this when I was in the salon. Anyway, to add a little bit of shine to the hair, I'm going to use a little bit of my BioSilk. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This hair is so beautiful, soft and bouncy. I absolutely love it. I love the color so much more than I thought I would. And it gets brighter when it's in the sun. So I just want to let you know that I wasn't sitting directly in the sun, but I wanted you guys to see how bright it looks when some light hits it. Alright, so I also wanted to see how this hair holds a curl. So I wanted to go ahead and bump this hair. These are the curls that I put in there. So far, so good. But anyway, I wanted to tell you, this hair does have a smell to it when you put the iron on it. But I'm just going to rake some of the curl out. And look, you guys, she is cute. Okay, so I'm shocked at a couple things. I'm shocked that this hair is not matting. One, because it's so much hair on my head. I feel like it's so much more dense than what it says it is because I feel like there's just a lot of hair on my head. But anyway, and I'm shocked that the color looks as great as it does. It looks awesome on this brown skin, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna part this hair down the center just to see how it looks. Okay, so what I did to help my part line lay flatter is spray the top with some water, followed by some Got To Be glued spray, just a tad, and then I went over it with the flat iron as you just saw, and that just helps it lay a little bit flatter. I never thought I could pull off this color, especially with not having like dark roots. But this is fire. She is cute. I don't know where she's going, but she's cute. And working with the hair does have some shedding, but it didn't have any shedding when I first took it out of the package and I was just running my fingers through it. I didn't have any shedding, but once I put it on my head and I'm working with it and I'm putting the iron on it, I am having some shedding. Okay, to sum up my experience with this hair, while I give myself this cute little 90s look, I really, surprisingly, love this color on my dark skin. The cap size fits perfect, and I don't believe I said it, but this is Swiss brown lace, which I love how easy it was to work with this lace. The hair is true to length, and it claims to be soft and bouncy, and that it is. The hair did hold a curl really well. Initially, the hair did not shed or have a smell, but post-styling, it did shed and it did have a smell when I put heat to it. So keep that in mind if you want to, try this hair. Alright, you guys, so all of the links will be in the description box down below. Again, I'd like to thank Nadula for sponsoring today's video and sharing this beautiful hair with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, be loved.